JDCap26 here, just appears in hobbies. And we've got a model here, Ripley, Alien Well. And it's a 3D print. We cleaned up all the material around the model itself. And when we try to put it together now, and use this little thing here, right here. And we got to use weld-on glue. So I'm going to take that and just put a little here. Hopefully it's not welded to itself, and it has. So we have to open it up. It does that sometimes. Welds to itself. So you just want to put a drop in there. Okay. You got a little cradle here we made to hold the glue. Put the two halves together. Like that. And then let's get this arm on first, I think. Doesn't seem to be. Oops. We didn't wait long enough, guys. She wants to come apart on us. We're just gonna fit that. Like so. Let's see. Let me put it up like that. I think that's how it goes, maybe. Down like this. I think up like that is how it goes. And she's being attacked. So let's put a drop there. I don't have a reference to go by, you know, so this is all on the fly, really. How it goes together. I know I'm not going to put it in the stand until it's ready, you know, painted and everything else. It's going to be a rough paint job. Then we got this right here. I'm not too sure where the gun goes. She's supposed to be holding a gun. I think this part right here. And we're going to just take the nippers. If we can, just nip off the very top of that. Put a little glue. This stuff is like, it really works very well. Works very well. Like that. A string there. The glue tends to string sometimes, you know, when you pull it away. I think the gun, see, this gun has to go like in there, like that. That's gonna go last. I'm gonna paint it and glue it on. We got these other little things coming out. That'll be coming out of the well. I'll show you the well. That's the well. That's the stand. So we let that dry out. That's basically what it looks like. You know, what it's going to go like. It's going to go in the stand like this. You know. I tell you, get a 3D printer and you'll be making a lot of models and different things. I did. I got a Elegoo Neptune Pro 4. And it works good without any hitches. I'd recommend that, and the Bamboo Labs A1. I'd recommend that for a 3D printer. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video when this girl is all painted up. And bye for now.